Okay guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to set up an account on Outlier AI. So let's go. First, you go to google.com and then just search for Outlier AI. Once you do that, the first result that pops up, which is the Outlier AI, train the next generation of AI as freelancers. Click on it. Now, once you get on the Outlier homepage, that link actually takes you to this homepage where you see this header that says become the expert that AI learns from. But if you notice one thing, we only have two buttons to get you into the platform properly, which is the login button and the view opportunities button. There is no button that says sign up or register. So for you to actually become a new user on the Outlier.ai platform, you have to click on the view opportunities button. And once you click that, that takes you to this page. And on this page, you will see a lot of open opportunities. Right now, it says 38 opportunities available. It's actually showing 38 opportunities. On my location, I picked all. If you like, you can choose global or your location that is local to you. So, but I'll go with all. And then the type, you can choose specialist, generalist, languages, or coders. So these are like the available spots, or if you like, opportunities that you can apply for. Now, one thing you need to note is that before you actually pick a particular opportunity, make sure you are very well qualified for that position. Because if you are not, and make sure you actually qualify for the location too. Even though it says remote, you have to be actually present in the listed locations. Like for this AI annotation specialist, it says United States, Australia, Canada, the UK, New Zealand, and Ireland. So make sure you are not outside these regions. And then I'll click on this one. This is like a generalist position. And if you notice, there are a lot of requirements, and I want to plead that you guys make sure you follow these requirements and then read it properly. It says pay and logistics. And now if you notice, you see the apply button right now. This is the only way you can apply. You cannot apply from the home page. This is the home page right here. There is no apply button like from the top straight down to the footer. There is no button that says apply. So the only way you can apply, it says, if you are ready to impact the future of AI, video opportunities, and then you pick the opportunity. Let's go back to the AI annotation specialist, and then as you can see, it says pay and logistics. Now the base rate, depending on location, is between $16, which is like £13, 20 Canadian dollars, 26 Australian dollars. I think this is euro, 14 euros, New Zealand dollar, 26. So, and then you have additional bonuses. This is a freelance position, as a 1099 contract, not an internship. So it's a contract and not an internship. So actually, if you're adding it on your resume, you have to make this clear that it was a contract for Outlier AI and not an internship. The location is definitely 100% remote, but remember what I said, you have to be in the stated locations to take up this job. Payout is weekly via a secure platform. And yeah, these are the key requirements, what we are looking for: analytical and problem solving skills, ability to develop complex professional level prompts and evaluate nuanced AI reasoning. So you need strong writing, attention to details, and then you you have to fill in the application, verify your identity and phone number. Of course, there is actually an assessment, a skills and assessment interview that you have to go through. Also, make sure, like I said, that you are in the location that you are applying from, because sometimes while filling in the application and verifying your identity, they might give you a call or send you an email. So, guys, that's it for today's video on how to apply for the Outlier AI job. So if you have any questions, or if you have any videos that you'd like me to do an auto on, please leave it on the comment section. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.